All right, you already know who it is. South Scotty. All right, I'm gonna show you the 2 times where you should take a trade in the Forex market. There's only 2 times you should take them in the 2 situations. All right, let's get to the market. Let's show you what it's looking like. All right, you see I got Euro SD pulled up on the trading view. One time, one instance where you should take a trade in the Forex market is when your support down here and your resistance is either being broken or it's bouncing off of it. So if you see this right here, where it comes down through resistance, excuse me, support is currently support. But if it goes down through there, then it might be looking good to jump in that trade. If you see it right here, get stuck at support, and it might come back up, that'll be a good time to take a trade. All right. So you know about support and resistance real fast. I'm doing this real fast. Now, the second time you should take a trade is when those trend lines are broken. So let's go back to the charts and let's look when those trend lines are broken. Okay, here we go. You see we have a downtrend. You see this trend line right here. It's being touched once, twice, 3 times. You see that trend line touched. We're over 15 minute, but it works better on larger time frames. So when you see this trend line get touched and it does not break through, it respects it, then it might be looking good to jump in that trade. If you see that trend line get broken through, especially if you see a little retest, like you see a retest right here on the support, then yes, you should go ahead and jump in that trade. You should go ahead and jump in that trade. You could have caught you a little couple pips. You could have waited till it retested and came back up. But yeah, those are the only 2 times you need to be jumping in a trade. If you don't jump in a trade those 2 times, your odds of losing goes up considerably. I don't have to tell you that. You can learn that on your own. You feel me? Yeah. But let me also show you a little extra right now. Let me go to the charts and show you a little extra. The extra sauce, Scotty sauce. You know what I mean? Let's look at it. See, I use this indicator called Bollinger Bands. Put that on the chart. If it was not already, but I had to show you what it looked like. Um, I trade the Bollinger Band squeeze. When that Bollinger Band gets tight, it's bound to jump. So let me give you an example where I would use those Bollinger Bands because it's just extra confirmation. When you trade it, you want extra confirmation. You want confluences. Um, I seen it get a little tight right there. So if I was in that trade, if I got in this trade down here, once I see it break like this, get tight and shoot up like that, then I said, oh yeah, we're gonna win that one. So trading is all about 2 things. Those trend lines and those support and resistance. And then you need extra indicators just to give you extra confluence. My main indicator is like as you see the Bollinger Bands. I got volume down here. I will also add RSI. But that's it. Um My Telegram is out there. I believe this week I'll be putting trades on there. Saw Scotty free signals on Telegram. I'm gonna try to put the link in the description. There you have it. When you should be taking trades in the market and when you shouldn't. Trust me, I know. Like, share, and subscribe.